What is going on, everyone? Welcome in today's video on how to buy Ethereum on Coinbase. So what we will do, we will log into our account, and after that you will arrive at this homepage. So when you have arrived at this homepage, you simply can do two things. First, make sure you have enough funds on your euro or dollar wallet, because you want to buy the crypto, the Ethereum. So make sure you have enough funds on your wallet before doing this. And after you have topped up your wallet, you can simply click on buy and sell. That is what we are going to do. Then you will see the screen. For now, I don't want to buy Bitcoin. We want to buy Ethereum. So what you can do is click on the Bitcoin, and there will arrive all the list with assets available on Coinbase. Now we want to buy Ethereum, so simply click on Ethereum. After that, you can fill in the amount of Ethereum you want to buy. So basically, let's say we want to buy 200 euros of Ethereum. You can fill in the amount over here. For now, you also can see I don't have enough funds in my wallet because it's on 0 euros, but you can top it up, your wallet. For now, I don't do this, but I will show you how to buy it. If you want to buy this amount of Ethereum, there will arrive a button on the bottom of this section, and there it will say buy now. So if you click on that, it will instantly buy 200 euros of Ethereum. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would like to see you in our next video. Cheers guys, bye bye.